Hey, welcome back to VictorEric Design+Build. I'm Eric Lee, and I'd love to introduce you to our project team for this custom home. We've got Darcy, our site super, and Ram, our project manager. Great team to work with. A lot of challenges in this custom home, just like any other custom home. We'd like to walk you through some of that so that you get to see what happens behind the scenes. It's not as easy as HGTV shows, definitely, and there's always challenges that we have to help the client overcome, and that is our specialty. So let me just start with introducing the client, the project a little bit, and then we'll dive into some specific questions for the team here. This client is very unique. The husband and wife can't be too different. The husband loves traditional aesthetics, organics, different personalities, different interests, different hobbies. The wife is all about geometrics, modern, dark, gothic, very different people. And we had to design and come up with a design aesthetic that matched the two. So that's why walking through this house, you'll see different design aesthetics going to different rooms. For instance, the games room is the husband's, and you went traditional paneling there, organic wall covering, and yet the upstairs master bedroom, we split that into two with geometrics and modern blues, darks for the wife, and something completely different for the husband. So that's, from a design challenge, that's definitely one that we were able to overcome. The common space, we picked more of a Art Deco motif because that's somewhat in the middle between the two. Lots of details to work through, but let's dive into a bit of the construction side of things. There were lots of challenges, but maybe Darcy, why don't you share with us one thing that, or a few things that happened during construction that we helped the client overcome?
So during construction, the city of Burnaby requires them to have their own arborists and do all that stuff. We don't have to hire any.
Yeah.
So during excavation, we had to excavate right up to the property line where the neighbor had a big tree right on the property line. And when I called the city to ask about if we could dig that close to the tree, they said there's no way, and then they told us to hire our own arborist and figure out if the tree will die, if it'll fall over, or what. So we had our arborist come in and he said, you just can't. Right. You'll have to redesign your house or cut down the tree. So we had to politely ask the neighbor if we could cut down their tree. Right. The city essentially just left us hanging and screwed up on it.
Yeah,
so
for sure. That's one of the things that we do with custom home design build. We navigate everything for the clients. This was clearly a city issue that they oversaw and didn't catch. But we do whatever it takes to get the project done for the clients, including talking nice to your neighbors. Any other kind of construction things that happened? There was another tree issue, right?
Yeah, we had a fairly large cherry tree in the backyard that we kept questioning why the city was making us keep it because it looked dead. But the city said, no, it's fine, keep it. Then last year during a big windstorm, a branch fully ripped the tree in half and landed on the garage of the house. Yeah. Luckily it didn't cause any damage or anything, but again, it was the same thing. The city said, hire an arborist, see if the tree's dead, and then figure it out. So we had to cut down that tree as well.
Right. Tree issues galore, right? How about on the project management side of what was happening there that was extra difficult?
Yeah, on my side, sourcing us the material and especially for the smart breakers.
Right.
The smart breakers we had it a special order from California and took us almost 6 months.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That was very difficult, especially after COVID time, very hard to source the material.
Right.
And also getting a solar panel installed on the roof. That's again, that came from China. It took a little bit longer, shipping and handling. Other one, we managed to get 2 Tesla backup battery Powerwall installed in the garage, which gave us 3 days undisrupted power for the clients to use. Other thing was this house had lots of wallpaper.
Yes.
Very unique design. Very difficult to install. One installer came and he said, sorry guys, I can't help you guys.
Right.
It's very difficult to install. The seam has to match and perfect, and we managed to find different contractor, and he got it done for us.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the thing too. There's two things to learn from that. One is make sure that you find a builder or design team or design build team that has the right traits to execute that high level vision that you have. And then the other thing, of course, this client is, special announcement, is so techy, going from the smart breakers, which basically means that every single breaker in his house can be controlled by an app. That's the level that he wants to bring it to. Of course, we've got the server room and the solar panels with the Tesla Powerwall. Navigating all of this is very important, and that's why for a custom design build type of project, make sure you align yourself with the right team. We are from VictorEric Design+Build, and we enjoyed very much showing you the insides of this house. So make sure you like and subscribe to watch the final professional video once all furniture is moved in, and this is handover to clients.